Hi, Jennifer here to give you a walk through tie down. Let's get a little bit of an origin story. What is the tie down? This guy right here, Elder Christensen, said, "Hey, Sister Davy, look what I made." He showed me a tie stay that he had made out of the placket of a shirt. I said, we could do better than that because it was frayed and glued and hand stitched and it looked pretty sad. So I created this one, the tie stay, and we ended up calling it the tie down because it keeps your tie down. So once I made the one and it was effective, I had to make more and more to make sure the elders were covered. My first marketing tool was this guy, my own personal elder. So as I sent him off on his mission, I sent him with a bag of tie stays, of these tie down tie stays. He shares them with his companions and those around him, and he wears them. So that's not very effective when you're trying to promote things, because the elders can't say, "Hey, dude, give me a couple bucks for that." But now I'm able to utilize social media. What I did, since I was focusing on elders, I chose Facebook to focus on the moms that would be preparing these elders to go and be buying for them. So Facebook for the mamas, and then Instagram for the 16 plus young men who are on social media to tell their moms to buy them. So my best organically post was this one, silly and simple, Hallmark Christmas movie connected, and it did better than a lot of my boosted posts. So with the boosting, I added an extra 2,100 people reached, 1,400 posts engaged. I tried a couple new things with these boosted posts. I added a direct link to the order form for ease of use. I added animation to get them to stop scrolling. I also added some subtle product images. Can you see it? How about now? So there's my tie down tie stay in the form of a snowflake. On Instagram, I utilized features on there that were very helpful. I used stories and I created a poll. And then after the poll was done, I followed up with another post. And so, oddly enough, people preferred tie soup over tie in a soup. And so now they need to buy a tie down so that they don't get their tie in soup. I also found that on Instagram, people and companies connect. They link to each other, they promote each other, they comment on each other, and it seems a lot more social for the manufacturers and the companies themselves. So I was able to connect with companies like Tough Apparel, Tough Ties, Missionary Mall, and they all want to take a look at my products, so some of these are shipping their way. That is my tie down experience. I've learned a lot and have a lot yet to learn, but I had a good time. Bye.